Hello students, in today's class we are going to read a story, chapter 4, Who is Gandharv Sena? So at the end of the chapter you will come to know who was Gandharv Sena. Following are the characters: king, queen, queen's servants, minister, soldier, army general, soldier's wife and old woman. Long ago, there lived a king and a queen. One day, at the king's palace, his minister burst into crying. King asked, "What happened, minister?" Minister said, "Your Majesty, Gandharv Sena is dead." What is the meaning of Your Majesty? That means it's a pronoun used for the king. Then king said, "Gandharv Sena is dead? This is terrible news." Meaning of terrible means bad. We must have 3 days of mourning in the Gandharv Sena's memory. Mourning means staying sad as a mark of respect for someone's death. As they were speaking, the queen walked into the court. Queen asked, "What is the matter, my lord?" King said, "Alas, my queen, Gandharv Sena is dead. His death is a huge loss to us. There will be no celebrations in the kingdom for the next 3 days." Queen said, "Gandharv Sena is dead? This is very sad news indeed, my lord." The queen was deeply saddened by Gandharv Sena's death. She wept and went into her private chamber. When queen went into her private chamber, her servants saw her crying, and one of the servants asked, "What is the matter, your highness?" Queen said, "Gandharv Sena is dead." So again one of the servants said, "Oh my God." Hearing this sad news, all the servants started crying except one. She said, "Why is everybody crying?" One of the servants who was crying said, "Gandharv Sena is dead." Again she asked, "Who is Gandharv Sena?" The person who was crying said, "You don't know who is Gandharv Sena is?" Then the ladies went to the queen to know who Gandharv Sena was. The queen got angry and said, "How dare you ask me who Gandharv Sena is? This is ridiculous. You don't know." Ridiculous means this is very silly that you don't know who Gandharv Sena is. Finally, the king came to know that in his palace people are not aware of Gandharv Sena. He called the minister, the one who gave the sad news of Gandharv Sena, and king said to him, "Why don't you make an announcement so everyone here knows who Gandharv Sena is?" Minister said, "I thought you would know. I myself do not know who he is." I heard the army general sadly shaking his head and saying, "Gandharv Sena is dead." King said, "Well, go and find out." So students, till now, here whosoever comes to know that Gandharv Sena is dead, they start crying, but they don't know who Gandharv Sena is. So to find out who Gandharv Sena is, the minister first went to the army general. Minister asked to him, "General, please tell me who Gandharv Sena is." Army general said, "I really don't know. One of my men looked miserable this morning. When I asked him what was wrong, he told me that Gandharv Sena was dead." So students, here army general also don't know who Gandharv Sena is. Then the minister asked the general to call the soldier to him. He asked the soldier to tell him who Gandharv Sena is. Soldier said, "I don't know. I found my wife sobbing. When I asked her what was wrong, she told me that Gandharv Sena was dead." Sobbing means crying. So here again, this soldier also don't know who Gandharv Sena is. Then the minister asked the soldier to call his wife so that he can ask who Gandharv Sena is. When he asked, the wife said, "I don't know who Gandharv Sena is. It was my friend, the washerwoman, who told me that Gandharv Sena was dead." So here, wife also don't know who Gandharv Sena is. The minister was tired, but he had to follow the king's command. He went to the washerwoman. When he saw her, the old washerwoman was sobbing. When the washerwoman saw the minister, she said, "Oh minister, my Gandharv Sena, he is dead." Minister said, I am sorry for your loss, but please tell me who is Gandharv Sena. And finally he came to know who was Gandharv Sena. Then the minister went to the king to say who Gandharv Sena was. King asked, well, did you find out who Gandharv Sena is? Minister said, yes, your majesty, Gandharv Sena was the washerman's donkey. So students, here is your answer. Who is Gandharv Sena? He was a donkey. The people who were crying on his death were not knowing who Gandharv Sena is. But finally, they came to know that he was a donkey. Here we end our story. Students, I hope you enjoyed the story. Following are the new words: terrible, memory, celebration, announcement, ridiculous, national, kingdom, miserable. Now here goes our assignment for the day. Question 1. Learn and write the new words. Question 2. Read the line and answer the questions that follow. This is terrible news. Now this is the line and you have to answer who said this news. Second, what was the terrible news?